Hello there. Are you looking to transform your living space into a haven of comfort and style? Today, we're diving deep into something that can make a world of difference. The VEVOR 84-inch ceiling fan. This isn't just any fan. It's a statement piece designed to elevate your home's ambience while providing unparalleled air circulation. Imagine walking into a room that feels perfectly temperate, no matter the season. That's the promise of a VEVOR 84-inch ceiling fan. Its impressive 84-inch span is engineered to cover large areas effectively, making it ideal for spacious living rooms, open-plan kitchens, grand dining areas, or even covered outdoor patios. This generous size isn't just about aesthetics. It's about powerful, widespread airflow that can truly change the feel of your environment. At the heart of this exceptional fan lies its advanced DC motor. We're talking about a DC 6-speed motor, which is a significant upgrade from traditional AC motors. What does this mean for you? Firstly, efficiency. DC motors are renowned for their energy savings, consuming considerably less power than their AC counterparts. This translates into lower electricity bills, which is always a welcome benefit for any homeowner. You can enjoy superior comfort without worrying about a hefty energy footprint. But the benefits of a DC motor go beyond just saving energy. They are also remarkably quiet. Say goodbye to the distracting hum or rattle that can plague older fans. The VEVOR 84-inch ceiling fan operates with a whisper-quiet efficiency, allowing you to relax, work, or entertain without any auditory interruptions. This quiet operation is particularly valuable in bedrooms or home offices where peace and tranquility are paramount. The 6-speed aspect is where the real customization comes in. This fan offers an incredible range of airflow control, allowing you to fine-tune the breeze to your exact preference. On a warm day, you can crank it up to the highest setting for a refreshing gust that cools the entire room. As the temperature drops or you simply want a gentle circulation, you can dial it down to the lower speeds. This granular control ensures that you're never too hot or too cold, always maintaining that perfect equilibrium. It's about creating your personal microclimate, tailored precisely to your needs. One of the most ingenious features of the VEVOR 84-inch ceiling fan is its reverse mode. This is a game changer, especially when you consider year-round comfort. In the summer months, the fan operates in its standard downward airflow mode, pushing cool air down and creating a refreshing breeze that helps combat heat. However, when winter arrives, you can simply engage the reverse mode. In this setting, the fan gently pulls cooler air up towards the ceiling and then circulates the warmer air that naturally rises and collects near the ceiling back down into the living space. This process helps to distribute heat more evenly throughout the room, reducing the reliance on your heating system and potentially saving you even more on energy costs. It's a smart, efficient way to stay comfortable in any season. The design of the VEVOR 84-inch ceiling fan is also worth highlighting. While the prompt focuses on its functional capabilities, it's important to acknowledge that a fan of this size can also be a significant design element. These fans are often crafted with premium materials and come in a variety of finishes to complement different interior styles. Whether your home boasts a modern, minimalist aesthetic, a rustic farmhouse charm, or a classic traditional decor, there's likely a VEVOR 84-inch ceiling fan that will seamlessly integrate and enhance your existing design. The large blades, when in motion, create a graceful visual effect, adding a dynamic yet soothing element to your room. Installation is another aspect that many homeowners consider. While any large ceiling fan requires careful installation, VEVOR generally aims to make their products user-friendly. It's always recommended to follow the provided instructions meticulously or consult a qualified electrician if you're not comfortable with electrical work. The peace of mind that comes with the correctly installed fan is invaluable, ensuring both safety and optimal performance. Think about the practical applications. In a large open-concept living area, a single VEVOR 84-inch fan can eliminate hot spots and create a consistent, comfortable temperature throughout. In a master bedroom, it can provide a gentle, consistent airflow that aids in a restful night's sleep, especially with its quiet operation. For those who enjoy spending time on their patio or in a sunroom, a VEVOR fan can make these spaces much more inviting and usable during warmer months. The ability to control the fan's speed and direction means you can adapt the environment to your specific activity, whether it's a lively gathering or a quiet evening with a book. The technology behind these fans is constantly evolving, and VEVOR is at the forefront of incorporating these advancements. The DC motor technology is a prime example of this commitment to innovation. It's not just about moving air, it's about doing so intelligently, efficiently, and quietly. The intuitive controls, often included as a remote, further enhance the user experience, allowing you to adjust settings from across the room without having to get up. This convenience adds another layer of comfort to an already impressive product. When considering a ceiling fan of this magnitude, it's also about the long-term value. A well-made, energy-efficient fan like the VEVOR 84-inch model is an investment in your home's comfort and its overall appeal. It's a feature that can enhance your daily life, making your living spaces more enjoyable and functional throughout the year. The combination of powerful airflow, whisper-quiet operation, energy efficiency, and the versatility of the reverse mode makes it a truly compelling choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home's climate control. The impact of good air circulation goes beyond just temperature. It can help to reduce stuffiness, improve air quality by circulating air and preventing stagnation, and create a more pleasant sensory experience in your home. A VEVOR 84-inch ceiling fan is a tool that empowers you to create that ideal environment. It's about taking control of your comfort and enhancing the way you live in your home. In summary, the VEVOR 84-inch ceiling fan, with its powerful DC 6-speed motor and intelligent reverse mode, offers a sophisticated solution for climate control in larger spaces. It's a blend of cutting-edge technology, energy efficiency, quiet operation, and versatile functionality that can truly transform your living experience. It's an investment in comfort, style, and efficiency that you'll appreciate every single day. Thank you for joining me today to explore the impressive capabilities of the VEVOR 84-inch ceiling fan. I hope this deep dive has given you a clear understanding of how this fan can elevate your home. If you found this information helpful, please consider following for more insights and tips on creating your ideal living space.